welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is a little different. I decided to combine two of my videos that I posted a while back on how to make your home smell amazing. So since I combined them, I have 15 ways for you guys to make your home smell amazing. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you do, leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. As you can see, today is not a cleaning video. Today I am sharing a few ways that I keep my house smelling amazing. I have 2 DIYs in this video, and this is going to be a part 1, so stick around for part 2. And I'm pretty sure y'all are doing these already and maybe might have seen some of these on TikTok. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into it. This is not in any particular order, but the first thing is an oil diffuser. So I love my oil diffusers. I have 2 of them. I have one in my room and then one in the living room. And I am on the hunt to get a third, but my husband, he really does not like these. It gives him migraines, but yeah, I only run it when he's not home. I like them. I love the way they make the house smell. The scents are, I mean, you can find so many different scents. My favorite right now is this sweet orange peppermint that I picked up at Walmart from the Better Homes and Garden brand. But I typically lean towards more of a fruity tropical scent, but at the time when I bought these, those were not out yet. I also like in the fall, like the apple and cinnamon. Oh my gosh, and I still run those now, even though it's almost summertime. I just love like that fall scent. All right, and number 2 are essential oils. Sticking with the essential oils, you guys. So there are lots and lots of things that you can do with essential oils, but this is another one that I've been doing this for over a year now. I just grab whatever scent that I like or have and just put it inside the toilet paper roll. Just pour a little bit onto the cardboard. A few drops, I mean, goes a long way depending on the oil that you're using. But right now, like I said, this one's my favorite, this sweet orange peppermint. So I do this in both our bathrooms, especially our kids' bathroom, because that is also the guest bathroom. So once your guests come in and they use a toilet paper, once you pull that toilet paper out, you can smell whatever scent you put in there. All right, number 3 is your toilet tank. Now, I did not start doing this till about a month ago. This is what I have on hand, Fabuloso, but you can use fabric softener, you can use Pine Sol, whichever one you want, but I just recently started doing this. So since I had this on hand, I go ahead and pour this into the tank, so that way when you flush the toilet, you can obviously see the pink water, but you can also smell it. And you guys, my kids, well, once again, this is the kids' bathroom and it just is always a mess and it just always smells like kids. But this is also our guest bathroom, so I don't want it smelling like we have 3 teenagers and preteens in this bathroom. So this is an awesome hack that like I said, I started doing this about a month ago and it works. I can definitely smell it whenever I flush the toilet or when I'm cleaning. So yeah, this is definitely a must try. Alright you guys, number 4 is candles. I'm pretty sure we are all doing this already, but I always have candles going after I clean or when I get home. I just always light a candle because I always just want to smell something fruity, tropical, depending on the season, but I'm very more into the fruity and tropical scents. But yes, I have candles all around the house. The other thing I included in this is not a candle, it is a wax melter. I just decided to include it in here. I like it. I think it's been about a month or two that I've used this wax melter. It is the cheaper version. I didn't get anything too expensive or too fancy, but you have to get really, really close to be able to smell the wax melting. So I'm not sure if it's because it is a cheaper version. But yeah, I think it still works. I think, you know, I can still smell it. I would love to smell it, you know, just a little bit. I want it to permeate the living area, but it's okay. I think it does a job, you know, that it's supposed to do. So the next thing, number 5, is going to be a carpet deodorizer. All right, you guys, so I have been using baking soda on my carpet for a while. I don't like doing it often because I don't like it's not good for your vacuum. So I do it every once in a while, but I have never added essential oils to the baking soda, and I tried this and oh my gosh, it is amazing. I already love baking soda because it is a good deodorizer anyway, but adding the essential oils to it just made it even perfect. All right, you guys, number 6 is a shoe deodorizer. Now we all have that one pair of shoe that we wear all the time constantly, but I have about 3 that I kind of coordinate with my scrubs. And these 2 right here, I wear the most. And they are older. These Nikes are about 3 or 4 years old. And those pink shoes I got at Walmart for like $10, I think about two years ago maybe. But they are still going strong. They're awesome. They have like this memory foam inside. It's just amazing for, I mean, I'm on my feet all the time. So, but anyways, they are definitely worn out. So I saw this hack on TikTok. I personally don't use dry shampoo, but I did buy these little, it was like a pack of 3, like at TJ Maxx, and I bought it for my stepdaughter. But I decided to go ahead and try it, and I have been doing this, and oh my gosh, you guys, this actually does work. I was, when I was in school, I used to work at a shoe department store, and they used to sell those like little balls that they're supposed to deodorize your shoe or help. No, that did not work at all, you guys. But this right here, something so simple that I would never thought would have helped, definitely works. Y'all need to go ahead and try this. And number 7, Stovetop Potpourri. So I have been doing this for a while. My mom used to do this. I remember when I was little, she used to just put a bunch of just stuff in a pot and just boil it, especially after she made fish. That way the house, I guess she didn't want the house to smell like fish, but I've been doing this for a while now. And my favorite, my go-to stuff is very fall scented. I like a lot of like the apple scent, cinnamon. So this is what I had on hand on this day. So I went ahead, I had one cinnamon stick left. I went ahead and sliced some lemons and put in some cherries. And then I decided to add vanilla extract and some pumpkin spice and some cinnamon. And oh my gosh, you guys, the house was smelling like fall, even though it's almost summer. You can use whatever you want, but this is a good way to just, you know, if you don't have candles or you don't have your wax melter, you don't have anything else, this is another way to make your house smell amazing. And you can also use your crock pot. That way you don't have to stand there and watch the pot, because you know you don't want to leave the pot boiling. It might dry up or, you know, burn or something. But you could definitely use your crock pot, put it on low, and your house would be smelling so good all day. Alright guys, and number 8 is cleaning products. Now we all know if we have cleaning products that smell good, your house is going to smell good. My favorite is this wood cleaner from Method. It smells, it's an almond scent. Oh my gosh, you guys, this thing is amazing. I love the way this smells. I also have the granite cleaner. I think I have the apple orchard, I think it's what it is, or the orange. I forget which one I have. Either way, they both smell good. I also use the Mrs. Meyer's. I have the honeysuckle. I have, what else? Honeysuckle, the peony, the basil. I have so many different scents that I use throughout the house. So any room that I'm cleaning, it's never consistent. I never have like a specific one for a specific room. I just use whichever one, and they all smell good. So yeah, if you're using some cleaning products that smell good, your house is also going to smell good. And here I just finished wiping the table and I am lighting another candle. Because why? Because I just love my candles. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget for part 2 coming real soon. See you guys. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 2 of making your home smell amazing. We're going to go ahead and get straight into the video. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys are coffee beans. I just love coffee beans. So I decided to go and hit my stash of Dollar Tree vases or glass that I have, and I found these two. So I went to Publix and I grabbed some coffee beans, and what you want to do is just put some coffee. It could be either in a bowl, just make sure it's not plastic, something glass. Add some coffee beans and add some tea lights on top, and you guys, as soon as I pour this, you can obviously smell the coffee, but once I turned on once I lit the tea lights, it smelled so good. I just love this. And if you want to put it, I would put it in a bathroom, a smaller area, because if you put it I put it in my living room and I couldn't smell it throughout the house, but you can definitely smell it when you get up close. Okay, and sticking with the coffee beans, so I went to Walmart and I picked up these little shakers for 97 cents. They look so cute, but I added the coffee beans in here and I stuck these in my closet and my husband's closet. So the coffee beans are supposed to absorb any odors just like vinegar, but I didn't want to put vinegar in my closet. But also, if you go to a department store and go around the fragrance counter, you will see these coffee shakers all around because the coffee beans are supposed to like cleanse your palate, like your nose palate, so that way you can go around and smell all the different fragrances. Alright, and number 3 are scent boosters. You can use these in so many ways, but what I like to do is grab these little mesh bags that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I like to fill them up and stick them either in the kids' dressers and behind the door. You can put them anywhere you would like, but I typically go for the small linen closet, the back of their door, or their closet, or a dresser drawer, anything like that. And anytime you open the drawer, anytime you open the closet, you can smell whatever scent you have. And number 4 are essential oils in the trash can. So you can definitely grab a cotton ball or maybe a Q-tip, but I just go ahead and pour some oil into the actual trash right in the bag. I don't use a cotton ball. I just go ahead and just drip it in there, and I do that in the bathrooms and I do that in the kitchen. That way, whenever you either open the trash can in the kitchen or just go into the bathroom, you can just smell whatever scent you poured in there. All right, you guys, number 5 is fabric softener. I am totally obsessed with this. So the last video I shared that I poured Fabuloso in the toilet tank in the kids' bathroom. Well, in our tank, I poured some Downy. Oh my goodness, you guys, this smelled so good. It had the toilet smelling awesome. This Downy is a little pricey to be doing this all the time, but oh my gosh, you guys, I am totally obsessed. The next one are dryer sheets. Now, I don't use dryer sheets in my clothes because I am very sensitive, but I do use them to wipe down our pillows, and oh my gosh, you guys, it leaves the pillows smelling amazing. And if you have a couch that's fabric, my couch is leather, so I do kind of rub it sometimes, but it doesn't hold the scent. But if you have a fabric couch, your pillows, anything like that, just rub a dryer sheet, and oh my gosh, you guys, totally works. Even if it's something quick that you have to do, if you have guests coming like last minute, do this. It totally works, you guys. Alright guys, number 7 is adding essential oils to your air filter. Now with this, I just want to make sure, let you guys know, make sure you choose a scent that you are going to love, because I made the mistake one time of adding a scent that it just did not smell the same as it was smelling in my oil diffuser. So yeah, just make sure you pick a scent that you're going to love. Number 8 is vinegar in a bowl. Now this I'm pretty sure everyone has heard of. Pour vinegar into a bowl, a cup, place it in the room, and it is going to absorb any nasty odors. And that is it for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.